The perfect airbed for kids with soft, plush sleeping surface in 2 fun and exciting colors. It will come in handy for sleepovers, nap time and travel, without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Ages 3 to 10 years. For indoor use only. Includes carry bag repair patch. Dimensions 34.5 x 62 by 7. Material, PVC 98%, Rayon 2%. Top reviews from the United States. Better than expected. I was pleasantly surprised by the quality and durability of these mattresses. Some of the reviews scared me, but these mattresses did their job as expected. They even held up with toddlers being excessively rough on them, as pictured. They blew up easily with our air compressor, and the next morning they deflated in a few minutes if you pinched the plug open. We filled them and deflated them 2 days in a row with no problem. The kids slept fine all night on them. Couldn't ask for more, especially considering the reasonable price point.